Good morning, all of us. Thank you for the session. Uh, for the first one, honorable to the all of the committee, honorable to the all of the presenter in this session. I'm happy to join to this event, the International Conference on Marine Tourism and Hospitality Studies, Polytechnic Pariwisata. My name is Sabam Syaputra Manurung. I come from Medan, from Department Tourism, University of Indonesia. In this session, I want to share the good story, the uniqueness story about harmony of nature and culture, the case of Sirombu and Aekhula tradition in West Nias, North Sumatra province. We know that Nias became a good island in North Sumatra province. Side of West Nias, North Sumatra, we can see the side of West Nias. Nias Island is the outer island in the North Sumatra, which contains one main island and 10 small islands. There are 5 inhabited and 5 uninhabited. Next, Nias Island is famous for its maritime tourism, like Soraka Beach, Sirombu, Asu Island. For your information, marine on this island has become an international standard surfing and diving vacation. Next, we know that Nias Island is known to be a rich and cultural tourism and historical heritage, like a stone jumping tradition, Nias dance, traditional houses, megalithic sites, local wisdom, and interesting culinary actually, especially in West Nias, as a wealth of marine and cultural tourism that has a lot of potential to be developed, especially in the area of Sirombu district. This research, talking about the tourism attraction, cannot be established alone. It must be just opposed by all of the potential around it, combining aspects of nature and culture in tourism to increase diversification of tourism attraction. For etc., integrating local culture with marine tourism can create a rich experience for visitors and cultural preservation. Combining culture and marine tourism in West Nias is important for more tourists to help to sustainable the area, with the government, community, and private sector working together. This potential can be used to help people of West Nias. This research employs a qualitative research approach to explore the integrated relationship between nature and culture in the context of Aekhula tradition and marine attraction in Sirombu district, West Nias. For the first one, we want to share about the Sirombu site, West Nias in history. In 1980, Sirombu is the center of trade in the west coastal of Nias Island. The Sirombu market, with its raw shop houses bustling with visitors. So, from that situation, high ship traffic bring a logistic and produce from the other island. There are also coconut oil refiners, rice refiners, and rubber storage centers. But something sometimes become a disaster. After 1980, there was a massive fire in all of shop houses. Disaster in 1989. From that situation, immediately impact disaster Destruction of the economic center festival. The Sirombu area was depopulated because many people and entrepreneurs migrate to the other. And next, in 2004, tsunami in December 29, 2004. Destruction of economic center passed through. Sirombu Harbor destroyed. Advanced face displacement of settlement from Sirombu to the other district, to the other area. And then 2005, 28 March 2005, a magnitude 8.7 earthquake struck the west coastal of Sumatra in Indonesia center near the island of Nias. From that situation, from that magnitude, the destruction of the economic center phase 3, more than 1,300 people were killed on this island, and 150,000 houses was destroyed, and the area was slowly recovering. From that situation, this area became a center of market. From the destruction is 3 phases. The last time, the area was slowly repopulated. But in 2008, West Nias officially became a regency, accelerates infrastructure, tourism, and economic development continues to be implemented. Immediate impact, West Nias restoration efforts continue to be programmed, but the region continues to lack interest and investors, resulting in slow economic growth. But a good situation in 2022. On July, President Jokowi visited to Sirombu. This is the first one visitors from President, especially President Joko Widodo, come to the Nias Island. He come to the West Nias. Jokowi visit Sirombu, Mandrehe, and to the other area, followed by the Aekhula Festival 2022. That situation immediately impact West Nias in the center attention due to visit from the president. And then next, ministerial official come to Nias, and provincial official as well as Aekhula Personal Festival makes the attention even higher. From that situation, immediately impact makes the attention even higher. And nowadays, economic development as tourism continues to be strengthened by the cultural festival, marine, and even many more. The immediate impact, the existence of annual cultural festival, marine festival, construction of road connectivity between regions, and increase in the population. There are too much marine attraction in West Nias. Especially in West Nias, 11 marine spot area like Sirombu, Palace, until to the Azu Island, Bawa Island. And the favorite marine in spot area in West Nias is Azu Island and Bawa Island. Key marine attraction on Nias Island, world-class surfing. 2 locations that are featured at Sorake Beach and Asu Island. There are too much people. When he come to West Nias, say that the marine attraction in West Nias become a paradise for diving, snorkeling, and boating. That's so beautiful. Especially in West Nias, Asu Island is the top tourist spot. The sea has wave up to 7 until 200 meters long and height until 15 meters. This spot is clear and the sands white of salt. On Asu Island, tourists can sunbathe, walk, swim, sunset, beautiful view, and surfing actually. And then we see that the features the best spot in Nias Island, Asu Island in Sirombu and Soraki Beach. The feature waves, especially in Sirombu, in Asu Island, quite challenging, suitable for beginner and intermediate. But in Soraki Beach, very challenging, suitable for experienced surfers. What about the atmosphere? The atmosphere in Asu Island, more relaxed, suitable for enjoying nature. Different in Soraki Beach. Soraki Beach is very supportive and surfing activities at North competition. The facilities, especially in Asu, in Asu Island, available but not as much in Soraki. Different in Soraki, very complete, various available supporting facilities. From that situation, Soraki Beach also become even the national and international event surfing always do in Soraki Beach. But also Asu Island because become a small island. It's so far and not available like Soraka Beach. And then we want to see about the Aekhula tradition, the attraction of Aekhula cultural festival in West Nias. Aekhula means west. West Nias Regency is on the western side of the Nias Island, where the sun sets. The word Aekhula became the tagline and branding for West Nias Regency tourism, and become annual event, Aekhula Pesona Festival. Festival Pesona Aekhula. In this photo, we want to see the Mas Menteri Sandiaga Uno the first one come to Nias in 2022. Dance, the Aekhula dance attraction. And this situation, the Parade of Aekhula in 2024. And this picture talking about the Aekhula dance attraction in Indonesian's Independence Day. This festival has benefit to the region in 5 ways. Become perceived regional culture, provide educational facilities, development regional culinary treasures and handicraft, encourage the involvement of creative economic business, increase tourist visit, both local, archipelago, and foreign actually. This festival is very beautiful and very become spirits. Festival Pesona Aekhula is a local event that shows the spirit of togetherness and cooperation in the West Nias Regency community. This helps to revive the region culture and creative economy. After the FPA event in 2022, the line of Aekhula dance from West Nias has become a routine performance at the States of Parade of Indonesia's Independence Day, especially 2023 and 2024, especially 70 Agustus in Indonesia's Independence Day. From that spot, from the attraction about the marine and the Aekhula tradition, we can show you about the uniqueness or combine the situation. The combine of uniqueness, it's become more attraction and become a good situation. This is an annual event about the Aekhula tradition in West Nias. The Aekhula tradition, Festival Pesona Aekhula, is come from 2018. Aekhula Festival, 2 weeks along, held in Hiligoe, Megalit Stone, and Sirombu Beach. Broke the theme, talent and promotion of Aekhula. And then 2019, Aekhula Pesona Festival in Sirombu Beach broke the theme marine tourism. Especially 2022, Festival Pesona Aekhula became a nomination 180 national event, Charisma Event Nusantara 2022. It held in Sirombu Beach, the spirit of Aekhula. And then 2022, there are even Aekhula Manari held in Sirombu Beach, broke the theme, the color of Aekhula, and for the last time, 2024, Festival Pesona Aekhula become nomination 180 national event Charisma Event Nusantara 2024 held in Sirombu Beach, broke the theme rising traditional culture to the national level. And a good situation held in always in Sirombu Beach and Aekhula broke the situation, broke the traditional Aekhula become an annual event every years. Harmonious between marine and Aekhula tradition. We want to show about the adequate tourism infrastructure. West Nias is changing the tourism experience with a ring road connectivity. About the Sirombu port is being managed and revitalized with facilities arrival for marine. There's development aimed to make travel more accessible and comfortable. Local communities are actively participating in marine and cultural tourism, promoting sustainability and enhancing local economy, empowering community and homestay management. So, guide and handicraft and traditional food provides uniqueness experience for the tourists. Knowledge, non-label tour guides and interaction with local community provide an immersive experience, allowing tourists to learn about the local culture, traditional, and dance actually. It's become an integrated tour package combining marine and cultural tourism offer uniqueness and memorable. It become West Nias become a magnet to the all of the tourists. The conclusion, the study concludes that West Nias Regency has enormous potential to become a premier travel destination with harmonious concept, especially maritime culture. Visitors seeking both marine and cultural immersion will find the unique value proposition in combination of the rich cultural history of the Aekhula culture with the pristine maritime feature of 10 small islands in Sirombu districts. Rejuvenating the infrastructure and fostering storing community ties have made West Nias one of North Sumatra's most promising destinations, especially for ecotourism. West Nias could compete with other Indonesian travel destinations by providing a genuine, all-inclusive tourism experience that appeals to domestic and international tourism. Thank you for this session. I hope become a good situation. The story about Nias Island and become a good information to the all of us. Thank you for this session. Thank you for this situation. Chorus and Yahoo.